How to change your username in TradingView. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can change your username in TradingView application using your smartphone. First of all, launch open the TradingView app on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the bottom right and tap the menu icon. Inside the menu tab, tap on your current name from the top. Now on the next page, tap on the pencil icon at the top right, and now go to the username tab. If this is the first time you are trying to change your username, then you can do it right away. Since I already changed my username previously, it is not letting me do so. But if you are changing the username for the first time in the platform, you can go ahead and enter a new username right next to the username tab. After changing it, you will not be able to change it again on the next time. So that's it. That's the process how you can change the username in the TradingView app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.